Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Apple's latest AirPods Pro 2. I've been using them for a while now, and I'm going to give you a complete review, from sound quality to battery life, noise cancellation, and all the features Apple packed into these tiny earbuds. So if you're thinking about upgrading or just curious about whether they're worth the hype, stick around because I'm covering everything you need to know. First, let's talk about design. At first glance, they look very similar to the first-gen AirPods Pro, the iconic white stem, compact case, and silicone tips. But Apple has made small tweaks. They feel slightly lighter in the ears, which makes them super comfortable for long listening sessions. Also, the ear tips now come in 4 sizes, so you can get the perfect fit, and a good fit means better noise cancellation and bass. Speaking of which, the active noise cancellation ANC on the AirPods Pro 2 is next level. Background noise disappears almost instantly, whether you're on a plane, commuting, or just at a noisy cafe. And if you want to hear your surroundings, the transparency mode works amazingly well. You can talk to someone or listen to announcements without taking the earbuds out. Apple even added adaptive transparency, which automatically lowers harsh sounds like construction, noise, without losing the ambient sound around you. This is a huge upgrade. Now let's get into sound. Apple really stepped up the audio game here. The bass is punchy without being overwhelming. Mids are clear, perfect for vocals and podcasts. Highs are crisp, so every detail in your favorite songs comes through. Apple also introduced a new H2 chip, which improves spatial audio and gives you a more immersive experience with dynamic head tracking. Basically, it feels like the sound moves around you depending on your head movement. For gamers or movie watchers, this feature is a game changer. Battery life has also improved. You get around 6 hours of listening time on a single charge, and with the case, that goes up to 30 hours. And yes, the case now supports precision, finding with the Find My app, so you'll never lose it again. Plus, it supports MagSafe, Qi wireless charging, and even Apple Watch charging, super convenient. Apple's ecosystem shines here. Setup is instant if you're on iOS. Just open the case, and it connects automatically. Switching between iPhone, iPad, and Mac is seamless. Other cool features include force sensor on the stem for play, pause, skipping tracks, or answering calls. Announce messages with Siri. Conversation boost, which helps you hear someone clearly in a noisy environment. All these little features make the AirPods Pro 2 feel smart and intuitive. Let's break it down. Pros: excellent noise cancellation, clear immersive sound, comfortable for long hours, seamless Apple ecosystem integration, improved battery life. Cons: price is high. Some Android users may miss full feature support. Small design changes, so if you have AirPods Pro 1, the upgrade may feel minor. Overall, for Apple users, these are probably the best wireless earbuds you can get right now. So is the AirPods Pro 2 worth it? If you care about top-notch noise cancellation, sound quality, and convenience, the answer is absolutely yes. If you want to grab a pair, check out the affiliate link in the description. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and tips. Catch you in the next video!